What's going on, guys? Hope you guys all had a fantastic trading day. So the markets absolutely started to rally yesterday after hours into the overnight session as well as the pre-market. Pretty much as soon as the bell rang, we had a little bit of a slight pullback here. Guys, always remember when the stocks that you trade, when they're ETF, such as the triple Qs, which is NASDAQ 100, big tech, mega cap, or the S&P 500, which is the 500 largest companies in the US. If the stocks that you are trading or like to trade are above their 50-day moving average, any pullback is just that. It's just a pullback. Now, is there an opportunity for a short scalp opportunity? Yes. However, if you're a newer, inexperienced trader, or maybe you have a smaller account where maybe you can't take multiple trades in a day, both long and short, I would disregard the pullbacks and just wait for the confirmation of the bounce or the breakthrough of the high of day long. Remember that. Over the 50-day moving average bullish, under the 50-day moving average bearish. Okay, so if we kind of look at where we stand here, the last 3 days was a healthy back test and rest day for a lot of the stocks, as well as the indexes pulled right back into this original breakout spot of the 50-day moving average that we reclaimed back here on the 19th of July. So this is nothing more than a healthy back test. Now, obviously, if something was to change in the overall markets, in the stock market, on the triple Qs decided to lose 293, then yes, you can see a lot of airspace down, and this potentially is when we are going to want to get back into those short positions and start hedging or start going to the downside. Everything else, we still have to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. We had FOMC meetings today, absolutely ripped it. You can see kind of where we stopped today. Going back to the 22nd, we put in this high wick here of around 308.50. Also today, 308.50, 308.60 in this area. This is a big area here. This is going to start to break this sideways consolidation, kind of downtrending market. So are we starting to build a little bit of a floor here? It's entirely possible, as long as the triple Qs never, and I don't mean, for the rest of time, but I mean for the immediate short time, as long as we are not breaking the lows of 269.28, we have to continue to give the bulls a benefit of the doubt. Ever since we've tagged the 269, we've had a lot more green days than we have red days. Now, are you going to get those pullbacks? Are you going to get those natural rest and corrections? Yes, but as long as we are still trending over that 50-day moving average, everything continues to seem bullish. Now, the next area of opportunity that I am looking at, if we confirm today's highs over 308.60, is going to be the next level of supply, 312 and 314. These are the next two price targets that I would be looking at. You can also see that history always does not repeat itself, but I like to say history rhymes. And what that means is, if this was acting as a previous area of rejection here before a downturn, this area in here between 312, 315 could be acting as an area, strong area of resistance. I would expect to get into this zone at least to test this range and kind of see, can it be broken through on the first attempt? And if it cannot, I would expect the stock market to go sideways, maybe even 1 to 2 weeks worth of choppy action. Now, however, we can get into that supply zone, quickly chop around for 1 or 2 days and roll over, or we can get into that supply zone, chop around for 1, 2, 3 days and then break through it. If the stock market did start to break through over $314, the next price target we would be looking at is $322 on the Qs, and I would expect a lot, if not the majority, of mega cap stocks to get aggressively pulled up as well. So let's keep this short and simple for tomorrow. 308.60 if we get the confirmation, as we are closing here near the top of the range. That is going to be a long position for your favorite tech stocks into tomorrow. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.